Hello financial aficionados and future tech gurus. My name is Iwan, proudly representing AiNiffler. Today we will dive deep into the global impact of decentralized finance and in-depth analysis. Trust me, this topic is not only vital for investors but also for anyone intrigued by the revolutionary landscape of modern finance. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your engagement keeps us going. Before we proceed, a shout out to our global team at AiNiffler, hailing from France, Singapore, Taiwan and Hong Kong. Their relentless dedication has combined AI and blockchain, empowering you to handle digital assets efficiently. But let's get back to the main subject. Decentralized finance, or DeFi for short, is quite the buzzword. But what is it? Simply put, it's a financial structure built on blockchain technology, allowing financial processes to operate without traditional intermediaries like banks or brokers. Imagine being able to lend, borrow, trade and more without a middleman. Revolutionary, right? Now think about how this impacts us on a global scale. From the bustling streets of Paris to the bustling marketplace in Taipei, DeFi's influence is felt everywhere. Let's first focus on banking. Did you know that there are billions globally without access to traditional banking services? DeFi offers an alternative, giving many their first opportunity to participate in global finance. Then there is lending and borrowing. Traditional systems often involve tedious paperwork and prolonged wait times. Plus, the rates can be more favorable to the reduced overhead costs. But DeFi isn't just about lending and banking. It's the entire financial market at your fingertips. Trading, insurances, derivatives, and even lotteries can be managed using DeFi platforms. Now, some may ask, isn't this too good to be true? Well, like all innovations, DeFi has its challenges. Scalability, interoperability, and the risk of smart contract failures are some. But the potential benefits, they are monumental. Here is an activity for you. Drop a comment below about which area of DeFi excites you the most and why. Is it the democratization of finance or perhaps the potential of groundbreaking innovations? Share your thoughts, we do love to know. Let's touch upon a topic close to AiNiffler's heart. How AI and blockchain synergize within the realm of DeFi. You see, at AiNiffler we are incredibly passionate about harnessing the strengths of both. We believe they are not just trends but transforming tools reshaping the very fabric of global finance. AI enhances the DeFi experience. Think predictive analysis, fraud detection, and even optimized trading strategies, all powered by AI. Meanwhile, blockchain's immutable nature ensures that every transaction is transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. Now imagine a world where your financial moves are backed by the prowess of AI while being fortified by the trustworthiness of blockchain. Sounds exciting, right? This is the world we envision at AiNiffler, and it's a world we're actively building toward. The beauty of this union lies in accessibility. From seasoned investors in Singapore to newcomers in Hong Kong, everyone gets a fair shot at leveraging these tools for their benefits. Speaking of accessibility, have you ever considered the educational aspect of DeFi? The digital era has ushered in countless online sources. For those new to this space, there are abundant platforms, including ours, offering insights and guidance. So if you're a beginner or even an expert, remember to stay curious and keep learning. Let's talk risks. With great power comes great responsibility. The DeFi space, while promising, does have its pitfalls. Being decentralized means it's not regulated like traditional finance, and this can sometimes lead to unforeseen complications. Always do your research and consult professionals. Alright, challenge time. In the next 5 minutes, I want you to drop your top DeFi questions in the comments. It can be about its implication, its future, or even its current challenges. Let's turn the comment section into a knowledge hub. Thanks for those insightful comments. It's invigorating to see such an engaged community. Let's plunge further into the ocean of DeFi, shall we? Now, decentralized exchanges like DEXes are a major component of DeFi. Unlike traditional exchanges, DEXes operate without a central authority. This means you trade directly with another party, almost like swapping items with a friend. It's seamless, faster, and more often more cost-effective. But with all things financial, it's essential to approach with caution. Not all DEXes are created equal. Always research the platform, its security measure, and its community feedback. Another groundbreaking facet of DeFi, yield farming. Think of it as putting your assets to work. Instead of letting them sit idle, you lend them out for rewards or interest. But remember, the higher the reward, often the higher the risk. It's a delicate dance, one that requires keen insight and a good understanding of the market. Now, when I say stacking, I don't mean claiming a piece of land. In the DeFi universe, staking, it's about participating in a network by holding and supporting its operation. By doing this, participants can earn additional tokens. But of course, with potential rewards come inherent risks. Always be vigilant. Here is something exciting for our audience, especially those with an entrepreneurial spirit. DeFi paves the way for DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Imagine a company run by code and smart contracts, with decisions made by token holders. This is the essence of DAOs. It challenges our conventional understanding of organizational structures and pushes us toward a more egalitarian system. Let's have fun. How about a quick poll? If you had to invest in one aspect of DeFi, where will you put your money? DEXes, yield farming, stacking, or DAOs? Drop your choice in the comments and let's see where the community stands. Transitioning from these intriguing components, let's chat about regulatory perspective. With any financial movement, especially one as radical as DeFi, there are bound to be regulatory challenges and roadblocks. Some authorities see DeFi as a threat, while others acknowledge its potential and seek to create a framework that fosters innovation without compromising security. For our friends in France, Singapore, Taiwan, and Hong Kong, you might have noticed varying regulatory approaches to DeFi. It's always crucial to be aware of your local guidelines when diving into DeFi investments. DeFi's meteoric rise has also witnessed setbacks. Smart contract bugs, unforeseen hacks, and market manipulations have occasionally cast shadows. But with each challenge, the community learns, evolves, and becomes more resilient. The goal? A seamless, efficient, and safe DeFi ecosystem. Before we approach our wrap-up, I do love to shed lights on AiNiffler's Ethos. While today's discussion isn't about our offerings, it's worth noting that AiNiffler stands for customer-centricity, professionalism, reliability, innovation, and breakthrough. We are here to guide, support, and grow with our community. Alright, it's feedback time. We are always striving to bring you the most relevant content. Share one thing you've learned today or a topic you'd like us to explore in future videos. Your input drives our content. As we delve deeper, it's clear that DeFi doesn't just benefit those who are involved in finance. The ripple effect touches various industries. Think about real estate, for instance. Tokenizing property on the blockchain and allowing fractional ownership, that's revolutionary. It means individuals can invest in real estate with a fraction of the capital typically needed. It democratizes the industry. Another exciting area, insurance. Traditional insurance can be a complicated maze of paperwork and bureaucracy. DeFi brings forth decentralized insurance platforms. Claims, payouts, and policies can be handled more transparently and efficiently using smart contracts. The middleman is cut out and users stand to benefit. And let's not forget the world of art. Tokenizing art pieces, ensuring artists receive royalties every time their work is resold, brings more fairness to their creative world. NFTs or non-fungible tokens have gained considerable traction, ensuring their creators get their due. All thanks to DeFi concepts. The potential is expansive. From supply chains to intellectual property rights, the world stands on the cusp of decentralization revolution. And as with every revolution, understanding is key. So keep asking, keep learning. Remember, knowledge is power, and you, our vibrant community, have the potential to be at the forefront of this change. It's about being informed, cautious, and proactive. Now, as much as DeFi has its allure, let's also discuss potential pitfalls. Like Icarus flying too close to the sun, one must tread with caution. Over-leverage, lack of proper due diligence, or getting swept up in the hype can lead to significant losses. Always ensure you have a clear strategy and understand the risks. Looking at the global map, DeFi's influence is palpable. From Asia's tech hubs to Europe's financial capitals, and from Africa's growing markets to the America bustling cities, DeFi is waving its way into everyday finance. Consider Venezuela, where hyperinflation wreaked havoc. Here, DeFi platforms provided an alternative to the local currency, offering stability and hope in trying times. Or in places with limited banking infrastructure, DeFi offers financial inclusion, giving many their first taste of banking services. But it's not just about individual empowerment. On a macro scale, DeFi can make economies more resilient, removing central points of failure, enhancing transparency, and fostering innovation are attributes that can fortify an economy. To wrap up, DeFi isn't just a buzzword, it's a movement. It's the reimagining of financial systems. It's the democratization of finance. And as with all significant shifts, it comes with its challenges. But with a community like ours, armed with knowledge and commitment, the future seems not just promising, but accelerating. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives. And if you have a burning question or topic suggestion, drop it in the comments below. Remember, you drive our content and together we grow. Lastly, for those intrigued by the world of fintech, I welcome you to explore AiNiffler. Understand our ethos, our commitment, and be part of a community that champions innovation and breakthroughs. I'm Iwan signing off, but always here to guide and engage. Until next time, stay curious and empowered.